Today I'm making a Waldorf salad. It'll have apples and celery and grapes, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It has a little bit of a twist. We're going to put some curried peanuts in it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm going to start by toasting the Spanish peanuts. Got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I have 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder. Let them get good and fragrant and then transfer to a plate to cool. Alright, I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. I use the Faya Greek yogurt. It's a natural yogurt, it has a wonderful taste. And now I have sugar and some cayenne and a little salt and pepper. Add the lemon juice. We'll mix this real well. And then I have the 2 cups of apples. It calls for Braeburn, but you can use any crisp, sweet apple. I used Honeycrisp. And now the coconut. The coconut's a nice touch in this salad. Mix it and coat everything well. And now the celery. A cup of chopped celery. 1.5 cups of red seedless grapes that have been cut in half. This is such a refreshing salad. And now we'll add the cooled, curried Spanish peanuts. This salad has got it all. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's just a really nice salad. You probably have had a Waldorf salad, but have you ever had one with curried peanuts and coconut? It starts out like any other Waldorf salad, but I kick it up a notch with spicy curried Spanish peanuts, and then I add coconut. And man, is it ever a great combination of flavor and texture. A sweet, crunchy salad I'm sure your friends and family will enjoy. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know what you think. As always, you will find a printable recipe on my website, darlenestable.com, along with all my other recipes that are here on YouTube. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel when you do that. Also, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. That way, you can keep up with what's going on here on Darlene's Table.